Unlock your potential in artificial intelligence with Nanoschool's Beginner AI Development Track. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of AI? Join India's leading deep science learning organization. Nanoschool is renowned as India's #1 AI school, trusted by thousands. Our Beginner AI Development Track is meticulously designed to transform you into an AI professional. Discover a course packed with essential skills and practical knowledge to excel in the AI industry. Enroll with confidence with our 30-day refund policy and earn an NSTC-accredited certificate. Master our language for AI, from foundational concepts to building full-stack production pipelines. Achieve mastery in just 4 weeks with a comprehensive syllabus designed for rapid learning. What exactly will you learn in this intensive program? Start with R Basics, then move to Tidyverse for efficient data wrangling. Create compelling plots and gain insights with powerful data visualization using ggplot2. Go from RScript to deployable production-ready AI pipelines. Wondering if this course is right for you? Let's find out who should enroll. No prior coding experience? No problem. This course is designed for absolute beginners, ideal for fresh graduates, career switchers, researchers, and entrepreneurs across India. Gain practical experience with hands-on projects and receive an NSTC-accredited certificate. Work on real-world projects like the Health Data Explorer, Tidy Data Analysis, and a full AI pipeline capstone. Your NSTC-verified certificate is recognized by Indian employers and startups, especially in Delhi NCR. Ready to kickstart your AI career? Join over 14,951 satisfied students who have already transformed their careers with Nanoschool. Enroll now for a limited time offer of just 2,999 rupees. Visit nanoschool.in/AI-course today to register and begin your journey in AI development.